Okay. Hey guys, what's up? I am back here playing...
Words and things.
Yeah, Words and Things. I'm playing Words and Things. No, I'm actually playing World of Warships. And I am back here with Minx. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
She fixed her mic because she switched to her actual PC instead of her shitty Surface laptop.
No, it's actually my headset that's really stupid because it's still making the same sound. Or either it's you, I don't know.
No, because you're perfectly clear right now to me.
Well, I'm still hearing this sound.
Yeah, I don't know.
My headset, and it's probably on its way out.
Yeah, well, at least your mic quality is clear this time. Alright, so we are going to go right back into the stream. And away we go. So let's, what should we do? The Erie, the Chester, or the Hashidate, babe?
Ah.
Let me share my screen again.
Yeah, you're not sharing your screen.
Alright, can you see? No? Not yet?
No, I'm saying.
Well, watch the stream so you can watch with me and give me... Well, that's so far behind, though. That's why I was sharing my screen so you could see
also,
on time with me.
In chat and you just totally freaking ignored it. Thanks. Tootsie?
Hi.
Why do you Tootsie?
Oh, God. Alright, so.
Who the hell is Tootsie? I didn't know I was Tootsie.
You're Tootsie. You're Tootsie. You're Tootsie. Okay, so what shall I take out? The Chester, the Erie, or the Hashidate? The Chester's the one I kinda need to work on to get to the next big ship.
Hashidate.
The Hashidate? Oh, actually, I'm gonna upgrade.
Why does it sound? Why are you saying it like that? Hashidate.
Alright, there we go. Now we're upgraded. And so we need to go to the St. Louis, I believe it is. Is that a... No, that's a cruiser. Okay, we're not going to go to the destroyer, so we're not going to... Yeah, we're going to need to go to the St. Louis.
That one, the one we're looking at, or you're using?
This is the Chester. I'm trying to upgrade to the St. Louis, but I need 2,400 stars. What?
I said Chester seems like a really cute name to name your little puppy, new puppy.
Oh.
Chester.
Okay, so I guess we'll take out the Chester.
Come on, Chester, let's go for a ride on the big boat. Wagging his tail, tongue flapping in the wind.
You're adorable, and Chester's adorable.
I think I like the name Chester. For doggy.
We're thinking about a dog, guys, in our future, because we don't want children. So.
Oh, it's a 3-point capture.
A what now?
Said it's a 3-point capture. A, B, and C. And away we go. I'm gonna just... No, let's take an opposite way this time. Last time we took that way, so we're gonna take this way this time. Let's head over like we're headed to B, but then we're gonna curve around the island right up here, right at B, and I'm gonna poke around that island and see if I can't do some damage to some people. We have carriers in this battle, so we should see some allied planes spotting things for us, as well as some enemy planes trying to come in, torp us, and dive bomb us.
Towards us.
Torp us. Torp is short for torpedo. Ooh, torpedo planes. Torpedo planes! I think they may be headed straight for me, too.
I don't want to... Oh, yeah, here we go. Open with Windows Photo Viewer. There we go.
You, sir, are about to be right in my range.
Well, hot diggity damn.
That's gonna be way too far behind. He's moving too quick.
Hot diggity doobie.
No, that was a wasted shot. You won't be.
What? I'm not hot?
No, you are very hot. Oop, that was inside. That should hit right about con. Yeah. Whoa now.
Man, you're hot.
Oop. Fired too far forward.
Why does that look longer?
Alright. Carrier's way out there. Let's put some shots at it.
I'm hungry.
Right on the flight deck.
God damn it, this bucket. With a bucket.
Fuck it with a bucket. Alright. Turn it hard right around the island.
Fuck it. Whack. Fudge nibble.
Have they really?
How must you do this? Do you want fudgy nipples?
Fudgy nipples?
My fudgy nipples?
Whoa now.
Ah! They're nice and chocolatey. Yummy. And then we go up to the 2, over the 2, and down the 2, and up the 2, and round the 2, or 2. Ooh, baby, please don't go. Don't, don't. Bum, bum, ba, dum, bum, bum. Ba, dum, ba, bum, bum, bum. Psh, ba, dum, bum, bum, bum. Psh, ba, dum, ba, dum. Wiki, wiki, wiki.
Just keep nailing that carrier. Hopefully that fire will be good enough to actually take it out once we've done.
Fire! Fire!
Let's aim a little more back. Yeah, there we go. Carrier's down. Turn in. You are barely moving, sir.
No. I can't do her. You know who I'm trying to do, babe?
I do not.
The voice of what's her face? Consuela Banana, whatever.
Oh, Consuela from Family Guy, yeah.
I think that's her name.
Oh,
You know how to do it, I can't.
Oh, no. Alright, let's trade some fire then. Got you down. Start turning. We're gonna make our pass right through.
Huh? Babe, can you make me some soup? I'd like some soup.
I guess.
And then send it to me.
Yeah, it would be so bad after the point it got to you.
I know.
Boom, baby.
Okay, let's not be members new group. That's all he ever said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up 2. And then over.
And you're building on Minecraft in the middle of my live stream.
Is that not allowed? I can do that.
I'm not bitching at you for it. Oh god, not this map. I hate this map because there's no cover. I said I'm not gonna bitch at you for it.
I love
Full ahead.
you.
I loves you too. Wub wub wub.
Whoop whoop.
It's the love of the wub wubs.
Okay.
Cause you know, why not?
That's true, why not?
Okay, I guarantee you there's gonna be guys heading that way. So I'm gonna take this a little wider.
I did this wrong. I swear. Yep, I did. I did this wrong. There. A duck. Seriously, go fucking. Yes, you know you want to. They quack every time you do it.
I'm probably gonna get separated from the group because I'm just charging ahead, which probably isn't the smartest thing. We're gonna slow down to about 1/4. Enemy in sight. He's way too far out of my range.
Sheep, go away.
He's not. And he's already firing on me.
I said the wrong thing. Did you hear what I said? I meant to say sheep and I said ship because you're playing with ships. LOL.
Alright, let's speed it up.
But, you know what I'm gonna watch today?
Minions. The new movie is Minions. New movie.
Oh man, I'm getting cross hits.
Are you?
Yeah, I've got to turn back. I've gone out.
Vote around.
I've gone into a very, very bad area. I'm about to just get slaughtered.
Uh-oh, I did this wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there we go. That's why it can't be.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Time to run. Come on, boys.
I'm so confused.
Woo! Come on, let's dance around these shells. Ah, damn hit.
Okay, so the H is one thicker.
Whoa.
Oh, my dicker. I guess we can just do it like this. This looks a little weird, but oh well, we're gonna do it anyways. Or I guess, you know what? No. I know. Okay. I'll just have it be. Because...
Lob those shells over.
What?
Got some hits. There we go. Those are going to be too far behind him. No, I got a hit.
Way!
That probably wasn't the best start to a game. And they're all out of my range. Let's bring it in for a close pass, but not too close. You... right there.
Right diggity there. Not there. Not there.
Got him down.
Huh? What'd you do?
He's heading straight here and turning slightly, so we're gonna do off to his right a little bit. Yep, dead on, dead on. Little off. Forgot to calculate for the fact I'm moving.
You're moving?
Yes, I'm traveling about 24 knots right now.
Good diggity darn for you. Good diggity darn for you.
Those should all be hits, yeah. No, okay, 3 of them hit. Oop, he's turning.
He's a turning. Turning,
Switch to armor piercing. Reloading, 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 reloading.
Yep, that's the one. Oh, one hold your reload. Never do that.
Got him. There we go. What?
It said, hold your load, and then I said, no, never hold your load.
Oh dear God. Okay, so I'm at 900 XP. I need 2,400. So we're almost halfway there. I need 2,400 to unlock the St. Louis.
Halfway there! Halfway there! Halfway there! Where does that come from?
I don't know.
Starts with an S. And it was on Nickelodeon.
No clue, sweetie.
And you use him for cleaning stuff. And it absorbs things.
It's Sweetie, I have no idea what you're talking about.
And the character that I am talking about, people say that he's on drugs.
I don't know!
His best friend is a starfish.
SpongeBob?
Yes! Good job, baby. I like that game. I have fun doing that one. It's like, I do something and you try to guess who it is.
I find it kind of annoying, but okay.
Ah! Well, then I find you annoying, too. I did my witch's house interesting. It looks awesome.
I like how I was supposed to be doing work on our server all day, and instead I'm playing World of Warships.
Well, it's okay for us to take a break. It is the weekend.
But the point was, I do shit on the weekend that I normally put off during the week. Well, I did install the new shop plugin. I just haven't set anything up.
Well, what we are really supposed to be doing is we're supposed to be doing our thing with you, me, and Dan. That's what we're supposed to be doing, not World of Tanks. Because today's Saturday, and that's the only day that you, me, and Dan can even play together because you work and he's in a different time zone.
We can do it tomorrow.
I'm gonna message him.
I don't know. We may do it later on tonight. I don't know.
Yeah, so...
Brrr. There goes our planes. The plane! The plane!
I'm confused on a number of levels.
Why are you confused?
Oh, there we go. I couldn't see because of your white from your, because you've got your recording up. I couldn't see the, you know how like the little menu or the little thing for your who's online and stuff like that menu for your Skype, and then you've got the little circle.
Oh, I don't have any of that up. I just have OBS playing underneath
no,
all
I'm
of
talking about
this.
for me, I couldn't see it because they're transparent, and with your OBS being on and it being white, I couldn't see them.
Oh.
I couldn't locate where they were.
Okay, I'm probably gonna have some contact with this guy right up here. He seems to be headed for sea just like I am.
Because right now for Dan, it's already 10 o'clock.
Torps
So
in the water.
Huh? What, baby?
There's torpedoes heading up that canal right there. I don't know
wanna
which
play
direction they're
your
headed.
tanks for a little longer?
I'm not playing World of Tanks, Teal.
Whatever. World of War, whatever it is.
Okay, he's not even headed this way. Oh, they too low.
Plus, tomorrow night you have to go to bed early because you have work in the morning, so we wouldn't be able to do it tomorrow.
Well, how about we just not fucking do it, because I don't feel like doing it.
We have to do it! We didn't do it last weekend! This is something we were supposed to all do together, and I really want to play it again. Because I had a lot of fun. It's been a long time since I met you. No, it's been a long time since I actually enjoyed Minecraft.
Oop, that was gonna go behind.
I'll see what Dan says. If he doesn't want to do it, we won't do it. But if he wants to, I would like to.
How about you stop nagging me about it, or we won't do it at all?
Ooh? Mr. Sheep, can you move your ass? Thank you. I'm gonna kill all these animals. I'm getting irritated near my shit. bleh, 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 bleh. Hey, come here. Ow! Aw. Some of these cows are stingy motherfuckers. Stop eating my grass! Little shysters. The sheep are eating my grass. I need the grass.
Crap, I'm losing. Whoa! He's turning in.
Hush your face. Can any of you guys hush your face? He keeps telling me to do that. It's impossible.
I'm getting hit from two sides, but I need to focus on this guy.
On the sky? You mean guy?
Oh, okay, little ladder. Little ladder.
No, it doesn't. Ladder. Gotta move that ladder. Stop eating my grass.
Everything's good. Everything's awesome.
Are you sure about that? You're hesitant in your voice.
It's because I'm getting waylaid on from all angles. Yep, I'm down.
Waylaid. You stupid bunny. Aw, bitch. Shit. Aye.
Oh, God. Oh.
Funny sounds baby makes when he's ready.
I think everybody makes weird sounds when they stretch.
Alright, well, exit to port. Let's go for the Erie and have some more fun in that. And I think that'll about do it after this battle for our live stream, because I'm probably going to be done with it. I can only play so much. Okay, so I'm all the way on the outer. Gonna be over there and probably over there.
Very, very bright indeed. Cause if she ever thought it never something.
What? No.
You don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, that doesn't look right. It doesn't look like blood. Oh, for fuck's sake.
What are you doing?
Making a thing for my witch's house recording on Minecraft.
Okay then.
I'm trying to get blood to kind of, what's it called, from the thing, but it's not working because the redstone looks really weird. It doesn't look like blood. So, I'm just going red.
Because that's gonna look even less like blood. Okay then.
Yeah. That's a good kick. Drippy blood. Drippy blood.
Remind me later to reorganize my YouTube channel, like separate it by game. Because I don't really record anymore for YouTube, I just kind of upload live streams after the fact.
Hey. You gotta do this thing for your...
Really?
Drippy blood. Drip that blood. Oh yeah, that looks so cool. I like it so far. I'm only gonna have it dripping from the witches part though. Down.
Oh, I'm just getting hammered right now. I'm not gonna last long in this game. I've got 2 ships on me with no backup.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. I do good. Maybe I'll do the witches out of purple. A lot of witches like purple. And red. And black.
Alright, well that's that done. Because I didn't think and did something stupid.
Did you not think and do something stupid?
That's what I just said. I didn't stutter. Are you deaf?
Can you not be rude? Or maybe I'll come over there and I'll knock some butt into you.
Knock some butt into me?
Yes, I'm gonna knock my butt into your face.
We're not even going to go into that topic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is going to be the end of my stream and little recording thing for YouTube on the butt knocking note. So guys, till next time, thanks for watching. See you later.
Bye.